Hey guys, welcome back to another Moondog trading video. Tonight's video, we're going to talk about Bitcoin, Ethereum, Matic, Cardano, Solana, Shiba, and Avalanche in that order. And right now, we're looking at the Bitcoin chart, guys. And we had our nice little move. We're getting a little pullback right here. You can see my trend looks a little off, and we're going to look at that. We're going to look at that in a minute here. So we're going to go to the 4-hour chart. And you're going to see here on the 4-hour, the trend looks good, right? We got a touch point. We got a touch point here, touch point here. Um, we came out of it. We got rejection. Now we're getting a rejection here. But I'm not liking this, guys, because if I look at the daily, sometimes this is when you got to make adjustments every once in a while to these type of trends. If things start to trade sideways, because we got our bounce. When you're looking at crypto, guys, this is the main area to look at. You look at the bounce areas. This is when you want to buy. And I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I say is just my opinion, educational purpose only. But this is when you're looking to get in. Okay. Then you want to see what happens on these tests or breakout. You can look for rejection and maybe sell a little bit there, add to your position. This is if you're trading, guys. What I like to do is I have my long-term accounts, okay, that I have my wallets and I've got my long-term accounts. Then what I do is I trade my trading account, and then whatever money I make, I just add it to my long portfolio. So then it's just free in the end, anyways. Minus some taxes, but in the end, it doesn't matter when you're making tons of money. Okay, I mean, yeah, taxes suck, but at the same time, guys, you make $1 million and you're losing 250,000. It's like, who cares? You still made freaking good money. So, but anyways, we're not getting into that. We're gonna look at this trend, and on the daily, you can see how the trend is not looking right here, but on the 4-hour, it looks good. But I like the higher time frames. The higher, the better. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete this right here. I'm going to redraw this trend because I like the higher, the better. Okay, the higher the trend when it comes to the daily, the weekly, even 4-hour and hour is kind of a short-term daily type of thing. When you look at a daily chart, those are the weeklies or the monthlies. Those are the ones that you look for huge moves to the upside. So right now, we're going to redraw this trend on the daily, okay? And we're going to do it right here, just like this. And I'm going to show you what I did. Touch point here, a touch point here. That's 3 touch points. We came out. We did not get the daily candle closing out of the trend. Okay. So that's now what I'm looking for. And we keep talking about getting above this $61,000 area and back above the 50-day moving average. Okay. Which is coming in right around 60,800. So I still want to see a daily or 4-hour candle closing above that. And that's what I'm looking at for Bitcoin. It's still looking okay on the daily. So let's see if we get the next candle closing and then we get above this and we can actually get a nice breakout here. Okay. Yeah. So let's get a 4-hour or a daily. I mean, well, we only got because it's supposed to be 8 o'clock, guys, but they haven't changed it yet on TradingView. So the daily's been closing at 7. I mean, I would like to see a 4-hour candle closing above 61,000. Plain simple. Okay. And I want to see this area 53, 500 area hold. Okay. Ethereum, guys. Oh, beautiful. Got our breakout. Got above our 50-day moving average. We talked about getting back above the all-time high. And it looks like, guys, this is looking really, really healthy right now. Okay. Really, really good. There's more continuation on Ethereum here. Okay, could we go sideways a little bit and maybe touch 45.26 or even this 44 area, 44.40? Yeah, but eventually I think we're gonna break all-time highs very soon here. It's looking like it by this week. We're probably gonna break this all-time high. So that's what I'm looking at for Ethereum. Plain simple, guys. Everything's looking good. Beautiful, beautiful. Look at the volume that came in. Awesome. Matic, guys, we talked about it in yesterday's video. getting above this daily, okay, because then that can act as support. And that's exactly, or I'm sorry, the 50-day moving average. And that's exactly what happened on the daily. This is the daily chart. Look at this. Beautiful. We got above it. We hit my zone, guys. Look at this. From yesterday's video, we hit the high, 183. We had 183, right? We hit the high, got rejected. Actually, we came up. I'm sorry. We came up. We got higher. Wow, we got to, I must have missed this one. I thought we got up to 186, actually. I didn't think we got up to 188. Very, very interesting. Let's see where they got that from. Let's see, 188. Wow, I'm usually always on points on the bombs. We got the bottom here perfect. Wow. I mean, I traded this early and then I bought back in based on this moving average here around 169. And I actually didn't see it go that high. I mean, I was busy. I did some things today. I thought I had an alert on it, $1.86, but I guess I didn't. Anyways, this is looking good. Let's look. I don't know why they do this to me. They squeeze me out here. Okay, all right. So yeah, so that's crossing on the dead. Guys, this is looking healthy too. This is gonna be nice. Okay, could we get a little sideways? Maybe trade in the 177 to even 173 area. Yeah, that could happen. Okay, but I'd definitely like to see the 173 hold up. Okay, or 172. Let's see if that holds up, and then eventually, though, I think we're going higher in this move. I think we're going to get more out of this. 177, 173 holds. And then, we get above the 188, it looks like now. Yeah, I think this is going to go higher. Let's see, are we in this zone? Let me just move this box over. Yeah, I would really like to see us get in this zone up here. I would like to really see this right here, a 4-hour candle closing above 168 or I'm sorry, 187 area, 187 area. That would look very, very nice. All right, I think we're going to get that. Now we have support here. This 50-day moving average is going to keep moving up, and we got good support here. And right now it's at $1.69. Okay, so I think that'll hold up. We got the bounce we were looking for. Let's see if that holds. Okay. Man, this was a nice trade, those guys. We got in down here. Wow. We got in down here. I actually sold it up here. And then I bought it back here. I didn't realize it got that high. I missed that one. But that's on me. I'm a little shocked, guys, to be honest with you. How did I miss that? We bought this bottom here perfect. We bought this, okay? Then we traded this. We talked about it. We circled it. Then we circled where we were buying again, okay? Then we got our bottom here, which talked about holding support. That was easy buy right there if you weren't in it. Then I got rejected here, so I was looking for the out. Let me look at something. What am I missing? Yeah, I guess I missed that one. All right. Well, anyways, usually I put alarms on. I've been so busy, guys, the holidays here. All right. So Mag's looking good. Cardano. God, Cardano is just absolutely killing me, guys. We got a beautiful buy-in, and we got some here. We got some here. But I was looking for that 167 area. We just didn't get it. We got 163. It came in weak. I ended up selling my position. Well, actually, I got stopped. I sold half, and then I got stopped out in the half. So I did make some money off that trade. But this wasn't a good one. I still want to see the 150 hold up here. We just got a daily candle close. Let's see if we can hold. I want to see the 150 hold. And I still want to see a 4-hour candle closing above 167. Actually, we need to get above 164 or 167. So that's what I'd be looking at, okay? That's pretty much it for Cardano. Let's see, do we see any kind of pattern here? Yes, there is a nice trend we can draw on the daily. Let's do this, because this will be an easy trade if this does break. Well, let's see what happens. Let's see if it gets rejected here. Let's see if it gets rejected or if it gets a close. So tomorrow's candle will be defining this. If we get rejected here today, I'm sorry, tomorrow. I said today. Today, well, because it goes in tomorrow until 7 o'clock. So today through tomorrow through 7. But if we get rejected within the next 24 hours here, yeah, then we're probably going down. Now, if we can close out of this in the next 24 hours and not fall back into this, then we can go higher. So that's what I'm looking at for Cardano. Solano, guys, beautiful move. I'm actually going to have to erase this trend. This is on the daily. It's a nice trend. It's just we didn't draw it all the way. So this is how it should be drawn, like this. Touch point there, draw it like that. Bring it down right here. So let's see if we get rejected at this trend and then come back down and retest this 185 or even the 200. If not, and we break it, that's what I really want to see. So let's see a 4-hour candle closing above 220. That would be nice. Okay. Now, with that being said, the 50 days coming in right around 207. So let's see if that holds up as support. That is a beautiful thing that we did close above that. So I do like that. I don't like that, but let's look at this. 1 hour. Where am I? Oh, there we go. It took a minute. Yeah, so we could see a little bit of a pullback here and then a pop. Okay. Actually, I don't like this. If we break this, actually, we could be seeing this 200, guys. How much time do I have? Okay, 12 minutes. Let's see here. What do we got? I don't, you guys, I don't like these 1 hour moves, but this is a move. It is a move. They're just not the strongest. So sometimes they don't play out all the way. But look at this. We got an M pattern here. And yeah, 199, 200. We could see that area and then a bounce. So keep that in mind. Now, sometimes these moves don't play out. We might just get to 205, but usually it does. So keep an eye on that, guys. I want to see the 199 hold up and then a bounce from there. And I would like to see a 4-hour candle closing above 211, 213. Plain simple. That's what I'm looking for Solana, okay? SHIB. Guys, what a move. We were buying down here. Okay, we sold up here. We bought again down here. I said, look, guys, this is a buying opportunity. And look what happened, 51%. Now, this one even caught me off guard. But look at that, 51%. I actually didn't notice this, but look at this. One touch here, one touch here. How did two touch here, three touches right here? They sold it. 55, which, guys, I had 54. I don't know what I was doing on that one. Let's see. Oh, I know what I did. I was going after the first touch here, and they sold it off on the second, third, which was stronger resistance. So it broke my weaker resistance because I had this in yesterday's video. I had 53, around 53.40. So what I should have done was I should have drew this, and this area would have been a good spot to sell it and buy back it cheaper. I should have did that for you guys. That's on me. It's my bad. But we did good on this trade, guys. Even if you sold it at the 53, you still made like a 40%, 45% gain in 2 days. So that is, yeah, I mean, when you're making 40-some% in 2 days, guys, be happy. 47% from my target And then from the high that it actually hit 52. So we did really, really good on that one. Now let's see where we want it. Let's see if we can get a bounce at 45. Okay. I mean, even if you guys bought back in here, which is looking good on the daily, guys, this might be a good spot. This might be a good spot to get back in. Let's look at something real quick. Where's my fibs? Okay, fib. I want to go. Oh, let's go. Boom. We're going to go here. We're going to go here. Pull this up. Um, 45.63 could be a nice bounce, but it looks like it's bouncing right here. Let's see. Did we see any point where we can get a bounce here? Any kind of good support? There's some right here. I mean, there is some at 46. Actually, I'm sorry. We look right here. I'm looking at 46.30. So right here. So 46.30, yeah, it's pretty close. They might have front run us right now. They brought it down to 46.50. That's pretty close, guys. They might be front running this right now. This might be a good trade. We'll keep an eye on it. If this doesn't hold, we'll look for a bounce in this area, or even this 45 to 44 if it gets ugly. But this is looking nice, guys. Maybe a potential spot to get back in. All right, so that's SHIB. Let's go to Avalanche. Monster. Guys, I was telling you, if you get it in this area, $100 area, we had our box, our buy zone. Absolutely beautiful. Avalanche is going to go higher, I think. This is going to be beautiful. We got our 4-hour candle closing above 118. See if there's any kind of red flags for any kind of little pullback. Let's go to the 4-hour here. It's a little high. Let's go to the 1 hour. No, I actually can see us maybe trading sideways, maybe getting a little bit higher. Yeah, maybe a little sideways. It could range. So let's look at a range here. God, it's nice off the RSI bounce. No, I can see a range. I can see a range here. Let's draw a trend. Draw our trend on the 1 hour. How much time do I have? I'm running out of time here. God, that's a steep trend. Let's look at this. Yeah, I'm thinking pullback. Could we get higher in this trend? Yeah, maybe 127 or even higher. I mean, we could break this, but this is a bearish pattern. I'm thinking. I don't think they're going to bring it down here. I'm thinking maybe 114. We can get a good buy opportunity coming in around this area, around 114. All right, 114, 113 area. So I would maybe look for that. But this is a tough one. Let me look at the 4-hour, guys. I know I'm running out of time. This could be a nice trade. Let's see if we get a 4-hour candle closing out of here and a rejection. Yeah, then I'll be looking at the 114 to 110, and if that doesn't hold up, then we're back down to 103. So for the upside, 227, and then I want to see us break this trend that we have right here. So 227, 228, and then stay out of it, not fall back in it. Okay, so that's what I'm looking at for Avalanche. And I think that's it for tonight's video, guys. Listen, I really appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you guys hit the thumbs up. It helps my channel. Whatever money I make in the future, I want to give it to kids in need. Yeah, follow me on Twitter. I'll put the link to Twitter in the description. I'll put a link to Webull. You guys sign up. You get 3 free shares if you deposit $100. Listen, much love to you guys. Make sure you hit the thumbs up. Make sure you sub. Helps the channel get to 1,000. Much love. Peace out.